The Dyson V8 cordless vacuum is a lightweight stick vacuum designed for daily floor, stair, and upholstery cleaning. This model uses Dyson's V8 platform with a de-tangling Motorbar head and whole machine filtration. It's built for quick, versatile cleaning around the house. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's look at how the Dyson V8 performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. The Dyson V8 truly shines with pet hair, demonstrating excellent performance on carpets and maintaining strong effectiveness on upholstered furniture. It handles fine debris on carpets very well, even on high-pile rugs. While fine dust pickup on hard floors is quite good, the Motorbar head can sometimes push medium or larger debris. Its lightweight 5.58-pound body and cordless design, combined with easy handheld conversion, make it exceptionally simple to maneuver around stairs. The Dyson V8 remains effective for quick, daily cleaning, especially for pet hair and carpets. But next, let's evaluate the overall value proposition of the Dyson V8 today. The V8 effectively manages common household debris, providing reliable cleaning performance as one of Dyson's more accessible cordless options. Its ability to switch between stick and handheld modes for various surfaces and tasks like stairs or cars makes it. With a bagless design and washable filters, the recurring ownership costs for the Dyson V8 are minimal, provided proper maintenance. The V8 lacks automatic suction adjustment, dust illumination, or a swappable battery, features often seen in newer, more expensive cordless. The V8 offers strong practical value when discounted, but its value drops at a high list. Finally, let's discuss potential drawbacks and common buyer concerns for the Dyson V8. While the stated runtime can reach 40 minutes, max mode is considerably shorter, and the integrated battery isn't designed for. The lightweight plastic construction contributes to its easy handling, but the dirt bin, while functional, can feel less robust compared. Maintenance is straightforward with easily removable parts and washable filters, ensuring low recurring costs if components are properly dried in. Dyson offers a 2-year limited warranty and support, which is good, although long-term battery degradation is a common consideration for. The main risks involve limited high-power runtime and fewer modern conveniences, manageable for short cleaning sessions. Ultimately, the Dyson V8 remains a solid choice for those needing a lightweight, easy-to-handle cordless vacuum. Its performance with pet hair and fine debris on carpets is still excellent, making it ideal for apartments or as a secondary cleaner.